Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a chatbot with Drift, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Drift account. Once logged in, navigate to the chatbot section on the left menu. Click the Create Bot button. Choose a template that suits your needs, or start from scratch. If you selected a template, review the default settings and adjust them as necessary. Next, name your chatbot to reflect its purpose. Proceed to customize your chatbot's greeting message. This greeting should be friendly and inviting, encouraging user interaction. Add the initial question you want the chatbot to ask visitors. Consider using a question that directs users based on their needs. Now, set up responses for the various possible user inputs. You can choose to provide predefined answers or route users to a human agent. Next, define the bot's behavior by setting conditions and triggers. These will dictate when and how the bot will engage with users. Test your chatbot to ensure it works smoothly and effectively. Use the preview option to simulate user interactions. After testing, make any necessary adjustments to improve the flow. Once satisfied, click Save to confirm your changes. Finally, publish your chatbot to make it live on your site. Monitor the bot's performance and gather user feedback for future improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.